Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. You don't have to worry about complicated lessons. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll naturally improve your English and learn about some of the most interesting stories in the United States. Today, we are traveling to the southeastern corner of the U.S. to explore a fascinating question. How did Florida become the Sunshine State? When you think of Florida, you probably imagine beaches, sunshine, palm trees, and vacations. But there's a lot more to its story than just beautiful weather. Let's start at the beginning. Florida was first explored by the Spanish in 1513 when Juan Ponce de Leon landed there. He named it La Florida, meaning the land of flowers, because he arrived during the Spanish festival of Easter called Pascua Florida. For centuries, Florida changed hands between Spain, Britain, and finally the United States, officially becoming a U.S. territory in 1821 and then the 27th state in 1845. Florida's early days were not filled with tourism and sunshine. It was mostly swampland, forests, and small towns. The region was home to Native American tribes like the Seminoles, and conflicts like the Seminole Wars marked its early history. The big transformation began in the late 19th and early 20th centuries when developers realized Florida's warm climate could attract people looking to escape the cold winters of the North. Railroads, built by businessmen like Henry Flagler, made it easier for tourists to travel south. Hotels, resorts, and new cities started popping up along the coast. By the mid-20th century, Florida had fully embraced its sunny identity. The nickname the Sunshine State became official in 1970, and it's a perfect fit. Florida enjoys over 230 sunny days a year in many parts of the state, and its warm temperatures make it a year-round destination. Today, Florida is famous for its beaches, theme parks like Disney World and Universal Studios, the Everglades, and vibrant cities like Miami, Orlando, and Tampa. It's also a major center for space exploration, tourism, retirement communities, and Latin American culture. Florida's journey from a wild, swampy frontier to a worldwide vacation paradise shows how geography, innovation, and marketing can shape a state's identity. Now, it's almost impossible to think of Florida without imagining sunny skies and endless beaches. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning how Florida became the Sunshine State, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's your opportunity to review what you've learned and keep building your English and cultural knowledge. Please like and share this video to help us grow and bring you even more great content. See you in the next adventure.